OKRs are all about improvements. We talked about KPIs. If KPIs are under the target, let's say we have a quality KPI, it could be customer satisfaction. If we set that to 75 and we fall below, we need to do something to make it go back above the target. It could be growth KPIs. We could have a very strong revenue or profit or growth plan that we need to make sure we are continuously improving this quarter, next quarter, the quarter after in different areas to make us grow. And as we said before, it could be the strategy. So there's really those areas that are setting the OKRs. The OKRs are about improvement. Objective is the direction. It's the why and how statement. It's not a number. It's not a dollar target. It's what do we need to do? How are we going to achieve it? What direction are we going to go to make it happen? The key results are the measurable outcome. What does success look like to reach the objective? What's the business outcome I need to drive forward? The other areas that OKRs are set for the quarter, and it's important companies moving to OKRs move into a quarterly cycle. This needs to stem from the top of the company all the way down. A leader needs to set C-level objectives that are for the quarter. They drive the focus that we need to improve at the company level for the quarter. The reason we're going to quarterly is it means whether it's company or teams, we are start and end of a quarter, we can see how well have we driven it forward. We can then decide to continue on or change what we're doing next quarter or refocus on the next most important thing for the next quarter. And we're very clearly accountable every quarter. It used to be that, goals were set once a year and everybody tucked them in the drawer and forgotten about them. Doing it quarterly means you have 4 learning cycles. You keep the company and teams focused on improvements and using their time they have to improve. The company level, having set their objectives and shared them, that basically drives the teams to set OKRs. The teams are looking to set OKRs that align with the company direction and drive the outcomes needing. So we're setting full team OKRs, and the teams are then setting the plans, projects, initiatives to drive the OKRs forward. They're working on those elements that are really going to make the outcomes change.